Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I don't know if that was there the whole time. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you're new here, in today's video, I'm going to be doing this purpley pink smoky eye look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. So this palette is from Hip Dot, and it's called Light Rays. It's got such good like shimmery colors. I'm gonna use this one over here, sorry. I'm just gonna load up my fingertip. I love it, these are so like highly pigmented and they go on so well, but I really want to like pack the color on. So that's why I'm using my finger. And since I'm gonna be going in with a liner for the majority of my lid, I want to bring the shadow up pretty high. So not all the way up to my brow, but I want it to be into my brow bone. So just keep packing it up until you get the desired opacity that you want. I want it to be pretty bright. So concentrating more into my crease. I'm putting the shadow down first because I do want to alter the color of the purple liner that I have. It's an easy way to change up like one product by like just adding in another product. Genius. Okay, so I'm just loading up again on my pinky and I'm throwing it pretty significantly under my lash line because again, I want that halo effect to like support the purple. We all need support. Ugh. So that's what it looks like. I kind of like these looks too, where you have like two different eyes, but they kind of like live harmoniously together. But in this look, we're gonna do the same. Next, I'm going in with Psychedelic Sister by Urban Decay. I use this color so much. It's such a beautiful, like shimmery purple, and it goes on so effortlessly. But I wanted to I put that color down first, that pink or purplier color down first, because it's going to push through just a little bit and alter the depth of the purple in the Psychedelic Sister. So throw that all underneath and then I just smudge it out with my fingertip. And then you just keep on adding till you get to how deep you want that color to go. I'm keeping it closer to my lash line because I want it to fade to a slightly less deep color. I want it to really like blend into that pinky purple shadow. Go on the inner rim, that inner membrane. Since it's a waterproof pencil, it may take a little bit more time to get it to the opacity that you want, but it'll get there. I also throw it underneath the lash line too, because I don't want to see any flesh. I'm just gonna throw that all over my lid and into my crease. And since it's such a creamy pencil, it layers so nicely over the shadow. It doesn't like hiccup or anything. Now I'm blending the edge of that pencil into the shadow so that it gives a nice transition from that deep purple into that like pinky purple. And you just keep on adding until you get to symmetry, but also the depth of how you want it, how deep that you want it to go. But it's so good. It continues to layer on itself. It's not like picking up any of the product that I already put down. And then just go back and forth, smudge a little bit. You can apply a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. Now load up a mascara. I'm using Lash Princess by Essence. And that'll give another level of depth to closer around the eye area. Lots and lots of lash, top and bottom. Yeah, that wasn't a word. Sweet Nothing by Juvia's Place. I just throw that on a little bit above my lip line. Smudge it with your finger. Same on the bottom. Huh? a little in the outer corners. This is such a nice nude. It's like a mid-tone for like my skin tone, just a mid-tone nude, so you can wear it with so many different colors. I'm gonna go in with the Universal Balm by Fluid Beauty. I throw quite a bit of it onto my finger because I like a glossier look. This is so nice. I should probably wait until I apply it. It's so nice because it hydrates the lip, but it also gives such a beautiful shine that lasts a good amount of time on the lip. And then I'll just throw a little bit onto my highlight. So I like to give that really like glossy look. So I like playing with textures. So you have your frosts on the lid, you have a clearer gloss on the lips, and also on the highlights. And there you have it. Just a quick purple, pinky, smoky eye with just a nice, juicy, glossy lip. I list all of the products that I use in the description box below, so it's easy for you to get to. My foundation and everything, I do have previous videos. I basically do the same thing, so you can check those out if you want to see from start to finish the skincare and foundation and everything that I use. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.